Hey friends, if you encounter the error Windows 11 not all RAM is usable on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is a clean boot. Why? Because a lot of third-party software products may be using the RAM in the background and you might not even know about it. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with Hide All Microsoft Services. If any of the service is checked, click Disable All, select Apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Next solution is to run the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. Search for Memory Diagnostic in the Windows search bar and click on Windows Memory Diagnostic. Click on Restart Now and check for problems. And obviously, the last one is to buy more RAM. So go to Amazon.com or BestBuy.com or whichever site you prefer or whichever store you prefer and search for the appropriate RAM. Wait. For example, we can search for DDR4 RAM because I use DDR4 on my system. Some may use DDR3, you can check it accordingly. And then you can buy the best RAM. These days it's very cheap. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.